All right, you guys, quick tip on how to make your room, your bedroom, your kitchen, your family room, whatever you want, super cool. What is it?
LED light!
In your bedroom.
Yup.
So if you want to surprise your kids, do this. Would you like to do the grand tour of your
Yes.
LED light, super cool new bedroom?
And
Yeah.
you can also get the app and control the lights. Or
Right.
you can use the controller. You can get a song. And then the lights vibrate to the song. So it's actually really cool. A lot of colors. So like if I want checklist, you can also put flash.
Ooh.
And you can do fade. It like fades the color.
What do you like best? You love it?
Yes!
How much you love it?
100,000 million bajillion.
Okay, so what was it like yesterday when you came in and then you saw how amazing it was? Is that how you felt?
Yeah, it's like my heart was beating because like I'm like, oh my gosh, I love these. So I literally grabbed the controller really fast.
And you were playing with it all
like-
day.
I'm like, da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. If FaceTime my friends, I say, if you want a different color, you say switchy, and then when they say it, they can pick the color.
And it can dance to music and all kinds of stuff too.
Yeah, but only on the app.
Only on the app.
Yeah.
Okay. You excited?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna go have more fun with our LED lights. Bye, everybody!